Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Manette from chrisamericos.com, where we help you to level up and show the world the best version of yourself. Are you ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be going over the 10 most common phrases that you need to know in order to become fluent in no time. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Number 1. How are you doing? This is a basic greeting that you will hear all the time in English-speaking countries.
Okay, so how are you doing these days?
This is Azuri. Azuri, hi, how you doing?
It's when I say, how you doing today and what's going on with you?
It's a great way to start a conversation and show that you are friendly and approachable. Number 2, nice to meet you. This is another essential phrase for meeting new people.
Let's say I'm meeting a 5-year-old for the first time. I greet that child by saying hello. So hello, it's nice to meet you.
Well, thank you very much, Emma. It's really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
It's a polite way to introduce yourself and to show that you are happy to make their acquaintance. Number 3, what do you do for a living? This is a common question when getting to know someone.
Can I ask you, by the way, what do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living? Where do you live? Or if you're in college, what do you major?
So what do you do for a living? What do you do?
I'm in the military, medical field.
Oh, awesome.
It's a great way to start a conversation and learn more about the person's interest and career. Number 4, can I have the bill, please? This is a phrase that you'll have to know when dining out in English-speaking countries. It's a polite way to ask for the bill or the check at a restaurant.
Can we have the bill, please?
Sure.
Number 5, excuse me, where's the nearest restroom? This phrase is essential for anyone who needs to find a bathroom quickly. It's a polite way to ask for directions to the nearest restroom or toilet.
Could you tell me where the restroom is?
Number 6, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat, please? This is a great phrase to use when you don't understand something that someone has said. It is polite and it shows that you are interested in hearing what the other person has to say. Number 7, thank you so much for your help.
Pico de Gallo is done. Thank you so much for your help with this, Rianne. Look at this. Look.
Roy, thank you so much for your help, man. That was so much easier than I thought. I've been so intimidated by this process for so long.
Thank you so much for your help.
This is a phrase that you can use to express gratitude and appreciation for someone who has helped you out. It's always nice to show your appreciation, and this phrase is a great way to do it. Number 8, do you have any recommendations? This is a phrase that you can use when shopping or trying to decide on something.
Not really knowing what they were talking about, I said, yes, do you have any recommendations? We could use some help.
Hey, so I'm a sophomore in high school and I'm super interested in the medical field. Do you have any recommendations for classes I should take? Your videos are great.
Did you make any kinds of adjustments? Do you have any recommendations?
It's a polite way to ask for advice or recommendations from someone who knows more than you do. Number 9, what's the weather like today? This is a great conversation starter, especially when you are in a new place or meeting someone new.
What's the weather like today?
Hey, Vector. What's the weather like today?
Hey, Google. What's the weather going to be like today?
It's always nice to have something to talk about, and the weather is a universal topic that everyone can relate to. Number 10, have a nice day. This is a great phrase to use when saying goodbye or parting ways with someone.
I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. It's been nice meeting you. Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a really nice day.
It's a polite way to wish them well and show them that you enjoyed meeting with them. And that's it for our video on 10 common English phrases that you need to know. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative, and that you will be able to use these phrases in your everyday life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Some fun facts. The word hello was first used in the 1800s and comes from the English phrase Hai Beo Pu, which means be hail, healthy to you. English is the official language of 67 countries and is widely used in international business, politics, and entertainment. Learning English can help you communicate to people all over the world, and it opens up new opportunities for work, travel, and education. In addition to these common phrases, there are many other important and useful expressions that you can learn to become even more fluent in English. So keep practicing and never stop learning. If you want to use English to take your career to the next level, then click on the link under this video to join our Level Up training. And if you want speaking practice with native teachers all day, every day, then watch our free 60-minute lesson about how you can understand what I am saying but still can't speak. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to press like, press subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.